Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change screen timeout in our Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. To change screen timeout, we need to go to Settings, then we are looking for our display options. When we scroll down, we see here screen timeout. As you can see right now, we have set up 5 minutes delay. Of course, we can change. We have few options here. We do not have custom timeouts, so we can only choose from these examples right here. And we don't need to save. We can safely go back to our home screen, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.